Part 2 of filling out the 2022 W-4 for a person who typically owes. Just to get you caught up, this was their situation. On the results page, it showed that she is expected to owe $25.74. Adjust your results to avoid owing a balance. Now, I showed this in part 1 where you slide this tool, and when you scroll up, it shows you exactly what to do on your W-4 form before turning it in to your employer. In order to get a refund of $1,500, they will need $504 withheld from each paycheck just to get a refund of $1,500. Now, guys, tell me, is that very wise? Okay, I'm not telling you what's right. I'm not telling you what's wrong, but I really want you to think about this. All right, so before you submit this to your employer, okay, because keep in mind this plus sign tells you exactly what to put on the paper form. Let's look at some other options, guys. Other options that could allow you to get a refund and or break even without you having to pay extra in taxes every paycheck. Scroll back up and go back through the tool. Keep in mind, nothing is set in stone until you fill out the paper form and turn it into your employer. So go back to number 2. Let me show you something. Let's say that she decides to contribute to her 401k. So we're going to switch that up. And we're going to do the math. That $204 that they said she could pay extra per paycheck to get a refund. How about we put that into the 401k? So let's do the math on that. Okay, so you see that the results have changed. She still owes, but less, okay? Now only $13.97, guys, because she decided to contribute to her 401k, which is going to benefit her in the future instead of overpaying taxes just to get a refund. Let's keep going, okay? You can go back through these steps at any time. Okay, so think about the results at the very beginning of this video, okay, and at the end of part 1. She was expected to owe $2,500 during tax season. Imagine if she put that into her 401k, okay? That's $500 per pay period. Now, let me add, this is in no way me giving you investment advice. I'm plugging in numbers using the IRS tool on the IRS website, okay? Let's say that $2,500 is in her 401k. Let's see what happens to the results. Check this out. Not only will she not owe, but expected a refund of $286 for contributing more to her 401k, which goes towards her future. Come on now.